Hello and welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you how to set up auto response in your Gmail account. So let's take a look. Maybe somehow you are in vacation, or you would like to, you are in way, or you are in emergency somewhere, and you would like to inform the person sending you email. You would like to send them auto response and that let them know that you are in a way or you are on vacation. So in this tutorial I am going to share with you how you can set up auto response in your Gmail account. In order to do that, you have to open your Gmail account in your web browser, and then in the right side corner you will see gear icon. Simply click over there and then you click on setting. In the setting tab, obviously it will appear automatically general. So in general tab, scroll down all the way in the end and you will see there is available vacation response. By default it will off, so if you like to on this, simply click this vacation response on, and the day you would like to set up the day here, and the last day you would like to, maybe from 9 to 16 you will be on vacation, so you set the date, and then here type the subject line, whatever subject, like you are on vacation or anything, etc, etc. And then here also you can type any kind of text, like they can contact you, any kind of information you can give their contact to your contact number, or any etc things you can simply type here. And also you can set this only send a response to people in my contact. That means you know that Gmail there is maybe many person is already sending you email, so you don't like to send them auto response. You only just set this only send a response to people in my contact. So then if you click save, that means whenever your contact list, any person send you email regarding this period, so they will get auto response, the response you set it here. So this is how you can set auto response in your Gmail account. So that's for now, and then simply click on save change and it will work the way you had set it. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.